since I have Barbie dolls and Barbie cars, I can put it in my Barbie dream house. So the car, she'll go here, and then she'll go in elevator. Hi everyone, this is Nyla, and today I'm going to unbox my Barbie dream house that I got for Christmas yesterday. I wanted this type, and I got this type. Well guys, this is how it looks like. 70 plus accessories, 8 rooms, 3 stories, working elevator for 4 dolls, pull and slide, lights and sounds, transforming furnitures, home office, and whoa, look guys, this is how it looks like. A garage for my car, and a slide. Woo, we have to fill this up in water. So I'm gonna buy a Barbie swimsuit, and a dining table, and the kitchen. Whoa, look, the couch transformed into a bunk bed. That's nice. So we don't have just one bed for one doll. And the bathroom, and the home office, and the bedroom, and the elevator. Woo! That's how it looks like if you turn it around. So many ways to transform your Barbie dream house. Office to fireplace, bunk beds to couch, bed to coffee table, kitchen to outdoor grill. Fully furnished rooms, bedroom, living room, bathroom, office, kitchen, garage, pool and slide, lights and sounds, elevator for 4 dolls, solar panels, recycling bin. Whoa, that's amazing! So many stuff. I'm ready to open this. Okay. Well, this mode. Okay. Wow! This is the best day of my life. Thank you. Just get tape on the cardboard. I was wow! This is the best. Thank you, Mom and Daddy. Let's go. This is the Barbie dream house included in the package. Whoa, this is so cool. Since I have Barbie dolls and Barbie cars, I can put it in my Barbie dream house. So the car, she'll go here, and then she'll go in elevator. Okay, she's going in the elevator. Guys, oops, I have a surprise for you. Woo! That's it for today. La 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 la, watch Nyla grow. Goodbye. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Give us a big thumbs up. Hope you like this video. Bye! Thanks for watching. Subscribe, watch Nyla grow for more videos. Bye-bye. See you next